Vlog. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. Buhay na buhay at alive na alive ang espiritu at kaluluwa at kalag ni Kuragan for tonight. Chismisan sa mga pinagchichikahan, mga pinag-uusapan na mga active na mga chismosa at mga chismosa sa social media. Kita nyo naman sa ating simplihang minoposal, fashion distraction, look, carry vangs lang to mga karag-karag. Dahil ang center of chismisan natin for tonight, walang iba kundi ang pambato ng Tarlac. Alam naman natin na ang ganda-ganda talaga ng pambato ng Tarlac at very, very Pinay ang beauty. Sarap ilaban niya sa Supra at sarap din niyang ilaban sa Miss Universe, ha? Pero, kung matandaan natin mga karag-karag noong mga nakaraang mga linggo, nung nakarang buwan pala yung chismisan galore natin, nung hinanap ko yung hinalungkat ko yung mga pa-interview galore niya, gusto ko marinig yung communication skills niya. So, kanina mga karag-karag, habang namamasyal ako sa mga chikahan sa mundo ng pageantry at na-stop over bitaw ko sa page ni Maring Luis Porteles, ay si Mama.
How would you encourage the youth and young girls to also pursue their dreams or education?
One thing that I really want to remind them is to be a risk taker, because in that way they will be open to any opportunities and confront their fears. So be a risk taker so that you will achieve all your aspirations in life, like me.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Was there ever a moment that you felt like you needed to overcome in order to make it to where you are right now? Whether it is in terms of educations or pageants or anything like that.
As of now, my Ilocano accent, I'm working on that since I came from...
It's so charming.
Yes,
I don't want you to lose it.
Province, which my Ilocano accent is very hard to change. It's very challenging. At the same time, I'm trying to learn. So every day, I'm trying to learn 5 words, and I'm trying to answer 5 questions so that I will enhance and sharpen my communication skills.
Yes. Well, you're doing great, honestly.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. I'm really enjoying the conversation. So you're a natural at
Oh,
this.
thank you.
Yes. I mean, it's interesting that you bring this up because that's something that people don't always get to see from the outside.
Yes.
The preparation and the fact that you have to really work hard to improve yourself.
Yes.
That is not just, like, oh, I think I'm pretty or I think I can model, I will go and join. You really need to actively prepare for it, no?
Agree.
So when it comes to you, other than the communication skills, did you always feel comfortable on stage with the pasarela or, like the different categories? Or was also something that you needed to work on that?
Yes, I'm still working on my pasarela. Since it's Miss Universe,
I know.
right? I make sure that I'm more confident this time since it's a national pageant. And also, I want to have the very slayable walk this year. Yes.
Is there a name for the walk already?
Yes, it's Arriba Walk.
Arriba Walk.
Arriba Walk, it's inspired by my municipality tagline, Arriba Pura.
Grabe.
And Arriba means with every step that I'm going to do is like I'm showing pride to my province. Like, aariba ang walk.
Oh, grabe ka.
Yeah.
I'm sure that they will be extra super proud of you because, I mean, the way that you've represented them so far,
Yeah.
and it's still just the beginning. Grabe.
Thank you
Super
for
proud,
that. Arriba. Say Arriba.
Arriba.
Yes.
Yes, Arriba.
Arriba.
I wanted to ask you, as a marketing professional, diba, and someone who has this very interesting background, that I think comes very helpful to the pageant.
Yes. To the organization also.
Also, how would you market yourself as an interesting candidate to the Miss Universe Philippines organization for them to see a potential winner in you?
I think I will just market myself by being authentic. Like, what you see is what you get. Like
Yes.
that. I will make sure that whenever I'm be the next Miss Universe, I will give all my best.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, at the end of the day, I would assume that the organization is looking for someone
Yes,
who
so
is-
much stories. Yes, are very suited in the crown.
Yes, exactly. So I think you have all of that already
Oh,
in the
thank
bag, secured. Your message to all of the girls out there in the Philippines who feel like they need to adapt or they need to change something in order to succeed, what would you tell them?
I will tell them that be yourself, be authentic, because this weakness you have right now would be your advantage to other candidates. So to all the women right there,
Yes.
be authentic and just be yourself.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yes.
I love your Ilocano accent.
Oh,
Please don't lose it.
Thank you so much.
Yan ang mga karag-karag na panood na ninyo. So ano man yung magiging reaction nyo dyan sa mga matatalino dyan at pinaglihi sa almanak at pinagmanahan ng katalinuhan ni Albert Einstein. Ako, comment down below. Magiging reaction ko lang mga karag-karag. Alam nyo naman talaga na pagdating sa Inglesan, bobong-bobo si Kuragan, 50-50 below the ground talaga yung cell membrane ko sa aking hemoglobin galore eksena. So, mas naaliw akong pakinggan si Maring Luis mga karag-karag. Sarap niya magsalita din. Ay, pastilan. Na-improve na naman yung vocabulary galore ko. Ay, marami na naman ako natutunan. Ganon. So, yun mga karag-karag, magiging reaction ko, no? More energy, Inday Tarlac. More energy pa dahil laklak pa na maraming energy. Pero in fairness naman, very honest din siya. Yung communication skills niya, yung sinabi niya, di ba, na kailangan niya improve. Umamin din siya mga karag-karag at sana sa darating na final, makita natin yung bunggahang transformation ni Tarlac pagdating sa kudaan galore. Kung lalamon ba siya ng microphone or siya yung lalamunin ng wire ng microphone, di ba? Sa kanyang pagiging honest bitaw, lalo ko siyang nagustuhan ha, in fairness. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy yung magiging improvement niya dahil medyo next month na ba yung Miss Universe Philippines 2026. So, malapit-lapit na rin, no? Kung mali ako, comment down below. At inaabangan ko yung magiging pasarila walk niya na Arriba. Arriba walk ba? Tama ba ako? Kung mali naman ako, comment down below. Alam niyo naman, pag nagmenopausal na yung cell membrane ni Kuragan, makakalimutin na talaga ako mga karag-karag. Kaya, comment down below mga karag-karag kung ano yung magiging reaction ninyo sa naging communication skills latest ni Miss Universe Philippines Tarlac. Pasok na ba sa banga mga karag-karag? Comment down below kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko. Don't forget to like and subscribe Kuragan Karag and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest kaganapan at late na intriga sa mundo ng beauty pageant. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!